Hi guys, I am Agustin Putri Amalia. I am grade 9 from 15 Junior High School of Surabaya. I will show you how to make warm tea. Prepare the tools and ingredients. Spoon, a tea bag, hot water, sugar, glass, a slice of lemon. And now the step begin. First, boil 2 glasses of water. Second, add 2 spoons of sugar into the glass. Third, put a tea begin to a glass. Next, pour the hot water into the glass. Then stir tea until fully mixed. Let's add the lemon slice. Add the glass from garnishes. And tea is ready to drink. Thanks for watching.